This soup is wonderful, isn't it? It really warms you up on a night like this.
Mom, my phone. It's an emergency.
Mine too. It says emergency alert.
What does it mean?
Let's stay calm. It might be a weather warning.
I'm scared. Look at them down there.
They're getting closer to the building.
I'm scared. Stay quiet, sweetie.
Stay close, everyone. I've got you.
The children are scared, David.
It's okay. We're safe in here.
Daddy, the rain is so loud.
Shh, Lily, just a storm. Hold on.
It's okay, my loves. We're safe and cozy in here.
The rain is scary, Mommy.
Shh, it's just rain. I've got you.
The rain's getting heavier. Gotta stay focused. Almost through this storm.
Come on, sweetie, let's get inside.
Okay, Daddy. Careful, it's slippery.
Whoa, it's warm in here.
Look, down there.
Don't worry, we're safe in here.
Hurry, get inside now!
The rain is so heavy.
I'm scared, Mommy. Look, the zombies are moving.
Don't look! We're safe in here!
Yes, we're safe. What's under here? Look, an emergency cooking kit. Perfect for a hot meal.
Let's cook something!
We're all together now. Listen to the rain.
These noodles are perfect.
They really are. So warm and cozy. Yeah, this is the best! The rain makes it extra special.
Everyone cozy?
Yes, so warm.
Sweet dreams.
Good morning, everyone. Morning. It's so warm in here.
Good morning, my loves. Beautiful sunrise.
Let's enjoy this moment together.
The clouds look so dreamy today. I can feel the magic through the glass. So peaceful and beautiful.
This is so peaceful.
It really is.
The mountains are so pretty. I want to see the top. Here, you can share. Yeah, share. We will, together.
Look, children, the sunrise above the clouds.
It's so beautiful, Daddy.
Yes, it is. It's magical.
Wow, so peaceful.
Just breathe it in.
This tea is so warm. The mountains look like a dream.
It's magical, isn't it?
I hope it lasts forever.
Me too, it's beautiful.